So yesterday I explained about quantum numbers. Then we are solving the questions from question bank, and already 2-3 questions over. And next question, question number 28. Question number 28. Which of the following set of quantum numbers represent the highest energy of the atom? Highest energy. See, to find the energy of the orbital, we have to use the formula n plus n rule. While explaining the electron configuration, I will cover this one, n plus l rule. If n plus l value less, then it is called having less energy, and higher value, higher energy. Then here they give in options 1, 2, 3, 4. In option 1, n value 3, n value 3, n value 0. Option 2, n 2, 3, 1. Question number 28, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2. Third, 4, 0. Fourth, 3, 0. Now see here, among the 4, here, first 4, second 5, third 4, 3. Yes, lowest value, option 4, highest value, option 2. And then they are asking here, represent highest energy. Highest energy, right? Highest energy, lowest, and same question. Highest energy, what n plus l value high, lowest energy, n plus l value low. That's why answer is second. Then question number 1. Question number 1. Compare the energies of two radiations, E1 with wavelength 800 nanometer and E2 with wavelength 400 nanometer. This wavelength and radiations etc. given. Then we know the formula E equal to h nu. And for two wavelengths, two energies, we can write E1 by E equal to hc by lambda. Next, E1 by E2 equal to lambda 2 by lambda 1. Using this formula, we can write like this. Then lambda 2, they give wavelength values. First wavelength 800, second wavelength 400. 400 by 800. E1 by E2. E2 equal to 2E1. Yes, follow this method and we get answer third. And same type, question number 100. 1 and 100. Same. Their energies are given and they are asking lambda. Question number 100, they are asking lambda value and energies are given. Then question number 5. Question number 5. Value of Planck's constant given and velocity of light also given. Which value closest to the wavelength in nanometer of quantum of light with frequency. So frequency, velocity of light and h. Therefore, nu equal to c by lambda. Nu equal to c by lambda. Then they are asking here actually wavelength. Which value is equal to the wavelength? Therefore, lambda equal to c by nu. over. Substitute the values and you get answer. When direct values are given, and C value 3 into 10 to the power 17, and frequency 6 into 10 raised to 15 over 100 by 2. Yes. Lambda equal to 50 in nanometers. Next, question number 6, again quantum number. What is the maximum number of electrons that can be associated with the following set of quantum numbers? N equal to 3, L equal to 1, M equal to minus 1. N equal to 3, sorry, M equal to 3, N equal to 1, M equal to minus 1. 3 L equal to 1, SPD 0 1 2 means 3p, and M equal to minus 1 means 1 orbital, maybe p1 p2. Therefore, if it is 1 p orbital, M equal to minus 1 orbital, M equal to 0 second orbital, M equal to plus 1 third orbital. Therefore, each orbital can hold only 2 electrons, means 3p2, 3p2, because this indicate orbital. So one orbital contain 2 electrons. Therefore, answer third. Then question number 7, theoretical. Root L into bracket L plus 1 h by 2 pi. This is the angular momentum. But for s electron, L value 0. Root s into bracket s plus 1 means root 0 into anything is 0. The answer is 1. Next. Question number 103, based on the de Broglie's equation. One zero three. 0.66 kg ball is moving with a speed of 100 meter per second. The associated wavelength will be, right, h is given. Therefore, h is known, c is known, and mass. Hence the formula lambda equal to h by m into v. Next, you have to find out here value. There is a lambda wavelength. You have to find out. H value 6.62 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. 34 joule second. 6.6 given in the question. 6.6 into 10 raised to minus 34, and mass also given 0.66. 0.66. Then velocity 100 over. So we get answer 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 5 minus 1.0 into 10 raised to minus 35. So like this, problems based on the quantum numbers and the different formulas in structure of atom. So in the practice paper or recent year papers, you can see 2019 NEET exams and any competitive exam questions we can study. So practice paper, question number 98. Practice paper, question number 98. Orbital having 3 angular nodes and 3 total nodes is See, regarding node, see what is meant by node. In an atom, around the nucleus, probability of finding electron density minimum or 0. Probability of finding electron density is minimum or 0, and there is said to be node. In case of what? So consider this is electron density. Electron density, and here no electron density. So probability of finding electron density around the nucleus is minimum or 0, and this area is said to be what? Node. The number of what radial nodes equal to n minus l minus 1 radial nodes. Then angular nodes, radial node and angular node. Angular node in case of p orbital, d orbital, etc. Radial node, angular node. Then number of nodes equal to n minus 1. Now for radial node and angular nodes and number of nodes, use these three formulas and try to answer. Now see here, question number 98. Orbital having 3 angular nodes and 3 total nodes is 5p, 3d, 4f, 6d. Yes. If you write 4 minus 1 equal to 3, means we get 3 nodes. In question they give 3 angular nodes, 3 here, 3 angular nodes and 3 total nodes. This is total node. 3 angular nodes and 3 total nodes. And if 3 is given for angular node 3, then n equal to 3. SPDF 0, 1, 2, 3. If L value is 3, F orbital. Therefore, in options, you have to check where is F orbital. F orbital given in option number 3. And also they give 3 angular nodes. Total number of nodes here, 3 angular here. Even L equal to 3 angular nodes. And if L is 3, it is called F orbital. And total nodes to find, yes, I used n value, there is 4f, hence answer 3. Then one more question regarding electronic configuration and n plus l lowest sum rule. N plus l lowest sum rule. Four D, 5P, question number 94, 4D, 5P, 5F, 6P, 5F, 6P, N plus N. Again, N plus N value to find out. No. But question is decreasing energy. You have to arrange them in the decreasing energy. Decreasing means highest energy to lowest energy. 4 plus D. So here N is 4, D, SPD. Like this you write better. D 2. 5 plus P 1. 5F 5 plus 3. 6 plus P 1. 6, 6, 8, 7. Highest energy 5F. Lowest energy 4D 5P. When you use 4D 5P, then no. Less energy, which one? Whether 4D or 5P. if n plus l value is same, then you have to give preference to orbit number. Therefore, less energy 4d, more energy 5p. Then least highest for 5f, least 4d. For 5f greater than 6p, less than greater than 5p. This is decreasing order. Increasing order, 4d less than 5p less than 6p less than 5f. Answer 5f, 6p, 5p, 4d given in option number 3. Given option number 3. And so based on the electron configuration, distribution of electrons, n plus l lowest sum rule, yes, we can answer such questions. Yes, this is about structure of atom. And in structure of atom, again, remaining few points are left. That is called electron configuration, above principle, Pauli's and Nernst rule, more. Now, electronic configuration, distribution of electrons in various orbitals. Distribution of electrons in the various orbitals, that is called what? Electron configuration. And according to Aufbau principle, we can distribute electrons according to their energies, but the electron enter first in the lowest energy, then in the higher energy levels. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 6s, 6p, 6d, 7s, 7p. Yes, like this you have to remember. So using this building up diagram or principle or above principle, one can write electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, like this you have to 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, next 5s2, 5d10, 5p6, 6s2, 4f14 this time. And when you apply this method, then 100% you get answer for electron configuration of any element. But S can hold 2 electrons, maximum electron capacity. There is a 2 electron, P6, D10 and F14. More than this you cannot write. Less than this allowed. S1 allowed, P1, P2, P3, P4, P0, etc. But P7 impossible, D11 impossible, etc. Then Pauli's exclusion principle. See about orbitals. Let it be S orbital, 1s2. No 2 electrons can have all the 4 quantum numbers same in a given atom. But first 3 quantum numbers may be same, but last there is a spin quantum number different. Means n, s. 1 s here for s 0, 0 plus of spin, and second electron 1, 0, 0 for second electron. three quantum number may be same, but last they differ. And this is explained by what? Pauli's exclusion principle. Next, in case of Hund's rule, let it be P orbital Pxy, Pxz, Pxy, Px, Py, Pz, Px, Py, Pz. Next, if it is P3 or P5, first you have to enter one electron. This is according to Hund's rule. In case of PDF orbitals, the electron enters singly in the beginning, then pairing takes place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it is 6, yes, this type we can explain in case of Hund's rule, but it is applicable for p orbital, d orbital, f orbital. But electron enter first in the beginning, afterwards it will undergo pairing. Next, take example. Electronic configuration of sulfur in sulfuric acid is. They are asking question like this. Electronic configuration of sulfur in sulfuric acid is. Sulfuric acid is H2SO4. And to write atomic number of sulfur, yes, find out the oxidation number of S. +2, X -2 equal to 0, and X equal to -8 +2 +6. S plus 6. Means oxidation number of S in sulfuric acid +6. Then, while writing electronic configuration, atomic number of S 16. Write first atomic number of S 16. And 16 electrons you write. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p4. This is all. Noble gas, then now outer atom configuration is 6. Next, this is for S atom, and for S plus 6, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, or neon. We can take this one or this one for S plus 6 because all the valence electrons are removed. Yes, apply this method to write electron configuration of elements. And using building up principle or above principle, we can write electron configuration for any element. It may be atom number 45, 48, 58, 68, 98, 100, any example you take, and you can write electronic configuration of elements. See, there is one question in multiple choice. Question number 32. Question number 32. Total number of electrons present in all the S orbitals, all the p orbitals, and all the d orbitals of cesium ion. Cesium ion 55. Atomic number 55. And see how to write atomic configuration. According to building up principle, 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, then 4p, 5s, 4d, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5s, 4d, 5p. See here, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 3d, 5p. Correct. This one repeat. Then 55 electron. Two, 4, 10, 12, 18, 20, 30, 36, 38, 48, 54, 54, 55. This is for cesium atom, cesium ion 0. Yes. And gas clear, number of s electrons 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, given in option number 2, 10. Next for p orbital. P orbital 6, 6, 6, 6, 24. 24. Next d orbital. D orbital 20. If you know electron configuration, we can write such examples. Now, remaining part there is a periodic table, and so classification of elements and periodicity properties that are covered another after 5 or 6 minutes.